Welcome to the Brain Awareness Series. This video is titled, The Role of Curiosity in Professional Growth, and focuses on igniting the dopamine loop for better performance. Curiosity drives learning. It is a biological readiness state. A curious state triggers dopamine, making the brain a sponge for new data. We celebrate the brain's hunger for the unknown this week. Asking questions and exploring ideas helps professionals bypass autopilot thinking. Discovery leads to solutions that standard processes often overlook. Exploration is the bridge between a task-oriented and a solution-oriented career. Curiosity is contagious, encouraging innovation within teams. Organizations that ask, what if, instead of why, lead the market. Psychological safety starts with a shared culture of inquiry. Mastering the elite perspective means expanding your thinking beyond mental patterns. Curiosity helps you spot opportunities others miss. True expertise is simply a high-level form of curiosity. Our courses support professionals who want to expand their thinking. We provide the what and the how, and fuel the why. Join the Elite Brain series before it concludes on March 28th. Master your performance with 4 Elite. Stay curious, stay elite. You can join the Elite by contacting us via email, phone, or visiting our website.